Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to pay GOTV subscription using the Access Bank application. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Access Bank mobile application, which of course I've done right here. The next thing is, where exactly can you find the Access Bank app? You can find it on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Access Bank mobile app and follow through with the on-screen instructions to install. After installing the app, it's going to take you right into the sign up page where you're going to be prompted to either log in using your existing Access Bank credentials or to register by opening an account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into the Access Bank homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Access Bank. So once you get there, these are the steps that you can take to pay GOTV subscription using the Access Bank app. From the homepage of your Access Bank app, of course, after launching the application, you're going to see an option that says bill payment. So find and tap the bill payment option within the app and select DSTV, GOTV, or StarTimes. Okay, so how do you get bill payments? If you don't want to use the search bar, go ahead and click on the menu icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. So click on the menu icon at the bottom left corner of your screen, and it's going to take you to a window where you're going to find bill payment. So go ahead and click on bill payment. Once you click on bill payment, you're going to see an option that says DSTV, GOTV, or StarTimes. Go ahead and click on that. And after clicking on that, click on any of them. Just go ahead and click on any, like say GOTV, due to the core of this tutorial. So in this sense, you're using GOTV. So menu, bill payment, click GOTV. And after doing that, enter your smart card or your IUC number and select your preferred bouquet plan. Then confirm your details, input your mobile banking PIN, and pay. That's pretty much it. So launch the app. From the home page, locate the menu icon at the bottom left corner of your screen, then click on bill payment, select DSTV, GOTV, or StarTimes, in the sense GOTV. After doing that, enter your unique IUC number and select your preferred bouquet plan, and then confirm your details, input your mobile banking PIN, and pay. That's pretty much it. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.